Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Rebtel verification failed. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes for this, so I'm going to go through these one by one. So the first fix is to verify your phone number and country code. So ensure that you've entered your phone number correctly, including the appropriate country code. So for example, I'm in Australia, the country code is +61. An incorrect number or missing country code can prevent the verification SMS from being delivered. The next fix is check for SMS delivery issues. So if you're not receiving the verification code, we need to confirm network connectivity. So ensure your device has a stable network connection and also enable international roaming if you're traveling abroad. Make sure international roaming is activated on your SIM card. Fix number 3 is to update or reinstall the Rebtel app. So an outdated or corrupted app can cause verification failures. Try the following: updating the app. So go to your device's app store and check for updates. From there, reinstall the app, so uninstall Rebtel and then reinstall it to ensure a fresh installation. The fourth fix is to clear app cache and data. So sometimes cache data can interfere with the app's functionality. To clear the cache and data, so navigate to settings on your device. Settings, access apps, so go to apps and then select Rebtel. So find and tap the Rebtel app, then clear cache and data. So tap on storage and then clear cache and then clear data as well. Now the last and final step, if all else fails, reach out via email. So contact the Rebtel support. So send an email to support@rebtel.com detailing your problem. You can also use the live chat, so access the live chat feature on the Rebtel website or app for real-time assistance.